Hello technicians, in this guide, we will show you the working image of the Honor X7c UFS ISP Pinout, ALT-LX1/ALT-LX2. By using the ISP Pinout, you can restore the stock ROM, bypass FRP lock, remove MDM lock, repair a dead boot, or clear user data directly through Flash 64, UFI Box, or easy JTAG. If you handle bricked, network-locked, or PC-dead gadgets as a microsoldering specialist, the ISP connection lets you talk straight to the UFS chip without pulling it off the board. Below we share the tested Honor X7c ALT-LX1/ALT-LX2 ISP pinout, what each label means, and how to wire it to your UFS programming box. What is ISP? In-system programming. ISP lets you reach the UFS/eMMC chip without desoldering it. You match the correct pinout on the board and attach a supported tool such as Flash 64, UFI, Easy JTAG, or Medusa Pro. ISP pinout is useful when the phone is dead, black screen, no boot, no charging. FRP is locked and ADB, fast boot or OTG bypass is not working. You need to dump firmware from a working unit. You are doing a boot repair or partition restore. The device shows unknown on the PC and EDL is not working. Honor X7c UFS ISP pinout image. The ISP pinout is a CPU drill style solution because you need to touch the data lines that sit on the board layer. On the Honor X7c, the test points sit near the UFS memory chip on the main motherboard. You may need to scratch the protective mask or lift a small part of the EMI shielding to see them. UFS ISP pin labels you need. RST, reset. TXOP, transmit data positive. TXON, transmit data negative. RXOP, receive data positive. RXON, receive data negative. GND, ground, connect to any ground point. Required tools for ISP pinout. Set up your bench correctly before making any jumper connections. UFI Box, Easy JTAG, Flash 64, or Medusa Pro. 0.1 mm, 0.3 mm jumper wire. Fine tip soldering iron. Soldering flux. Isopropyl alcohol, IPA 99%. Multimeter, continuity check. Honor X7c key specifications. Model. Honor X7c 4G, ALT-LX1/ALT-LX2. Chipset. Qualcomm Snapdragon 685, SM6225 AD. Storage. UFS 128/256 GB. RAM 6/8 GB. Display 6.77 inch. Battery 6000 mAh. Announced October 2024. How to connect Honor X7c ISP to the UFS box. Remove the battery first. Prevents voltage conflicts. Clean the board area with isopropyl alcohol. Solder jumper wires to RST, TXOP, TXON, RXOP, and RX1 points. Connect the wires to your UFS/eMMC tool following its pinout. Double-check every wire with a multimeter for shorts. Connect to UFI or Easy JTAG. In the software, select Identify UFS/eMMC. Use the operation you need. User Partition Special Task Reset, FRP. If the connection is right, you will see the UFS chip info appear in the tool window. Common issues and fixes. No chip detected. Reflow the solder joints and check continuity on TXON/RXON. Wrong pin order. Flip TXOP/TXON so the differential pair matches the tool. FRP not clearing. Make sure you pick User Partition Special Task Reset, FRP, not generic erase. Frequently asked questions. What chipset does Honor X7c use? The Honor X7c 4G uses the Qualcomm Snapdragon 685, SM6225 AD chipset with UFS storage. Is Honor X7c UFS or eMMC? The Honor X7c uses UFS storage, so you need a UFS-capable ISP tool like Flash 64, UFI, Easy JTAG, or Medusa Pro. Which model boards does the X7c cover? This pinout covers the ALT-LX1 and ALT-LX2 board variants of the Honor X7c 4G. Can I bypass FRP using the Honor X7c ISP pinout? Yes. Connect via ISP and use the User Partition Special Task Reset FRP option to clear the lock.